This lesson is going to focus on using the healing brush tool and the patch tool. Open up by going File, Open, an image called manportrait.psd. I'm going to open this image. I'm going to Command plus to zoom in on this image. And we're going to go ahead and kind of smooth out this person's face a little bit. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up our layers panel and do that by going to Window, Layers. And when your layers panel appears, what I want you to do is to create a duplicate background layer. The way that I'm going to do this is by clicking on this background layer in my layers panel and dragging it down to the icon right here at the bottom called Create a New Layer. Now that I have a background copy, I'm going to name this background copy Retouch. And I'm going to click on this retouch layer to make sure any edits that I make are going to happen on this retouch layer. First tool I'm going to grab is the healing brush tool. This is the tool that looks like the little band-aid. And I'm going to go ahead and navigate up to my healing brush option, toolbar options. And I'm going to make a brush that's about 12 pixels in diameter. Make sure your hardness is 0. You want a nice hard brush that's not soft. You want this to be really clear. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to erase and kind of smooth out these two wrinkles that are on this person's forehead and correct them. So I'm going to option click on a smooth part of the forehead to select smooth skin. I'm going to release my option key, and then I'm going to go ahead and just slowly drag across the wrinkles. I'm going to do it again. Option click on smooth part of the skin, and then I'm going to paint across this wrinkle. So smooth out his forehead. Remember there's a visibility icon, and you can click on this to hide your retouch layer so you can see the changes that you've made. Next, we're going to use the patch tool to kind of clean up the wrinkles around this person's eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and select the patch tool. Remember, it's hiding underneath the healing brush tool. Grab the patch tool. This is the tool that works like a lasso. And I'm going to drag a selection to a smooth area on his forehead. So I'm going to go around the eyes, and I'm going to drag up to a smooth part on the forehead. And then I'm going to Command D to deselect, and then I'm going to fix the other eye. Slowly make a selection around the eyes, and then I'm going to click my mouse in the center of the selection and drag up until I get to a smooth part of the forehead, and then release. And then Command D to deselect. You'll notice you'll see hide and reveal. Let's see the corrections you've made. We're going to decrease the opacity of this retouch layer to about 65%. So a little bit of the wrinkles peek through, so it looks a little more natural. And so that's how we're going to use the retouch tools to kind of smooth out this person's face.